Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to make banana flour puliyodare. For that I have taken half cup of rice cooked in the pressure cooker for 6 whistles with 1 teaspoon of ghee and salt as required. The banana flour also I have cooked it in pressure cooker for 3 whistles with turmeric powder and salt. Here I have taken 2 teaspoon of puliyodare mix. The link I will be giving in the description box how to make this puliyodare powder. Peanut 1 tablespoon, curry leaves, mustard seeds, red chili, Urid dal and Chana dal. You can add cashews also in this. We'll put the mustard seeds. I have taken 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and heated it up. I put the mustard seeds and the red chili in this. When it splutters, add the peanut and the curry leaves in it. The Urid dal and Chana dal also. Fry this. I have made various dishes of banana flour. I'll give the link in the description box, or you can check in my channel and the blog also. The name is Rasavin's Way only of the blog. If you want, you can add a broken cashew nut in this instead of peanut. Peanut and the dal is fried. Now we'll add the banana flour, cooked banana flour in this. And saute this for 2 minutes. After frying the banana flour for 2 minutes, I'll add the Puliyodare mix powder in this. And saute this for a minute now. Now we'll add the rice in this. Give a good mix. If the powder is less, after checking you can add. If you have more banana flour, you can add. I had only 1 cup, so I added that. You can add 1.5 cup to 2 cups of banana flour. This is really good for health. Now finally garnish with some coriander leaves. I always prefer some liquid along with this, like raita. I don't like to eat dry, so you can serve it along with some raita, bundi raita or onion raita. You can serve. So our banana flour puliyodare is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. You can add a teaspoon of ghee in this.